Tapering legs at the joiner is really easy. In this example, I'm starting with an 18-inch long blank. I'm starting the taper 4 inches from the top, and I'm tapering to 7/8 of an inch at the foot. I make a mark at both places, and then connect the lines. Measure the total length of the taper, which in this case is 14, and divide it in half. So I put a mark at 7 and then square that line across the face of the leg. Now measure from the outside of the leg blank along that center line up to the taper line, and in this case I get 3/8 of an inch. That's my depth of cut at the joiner. I run a test block in to check the depth of cut. Push it in, carefully back out, check it with a ruler or a tape measure, make any adjustments as you need to, and when you finally got the depth of cut set exactly where you need it, turn the block around and run it until it just barely touches the revolving cutter head. Then shut off the machine, and with a pencil, once the machine has come to a complete and total stop, mark the end of the block. I'm going to line up that center line with that mark on the fence and use it with the blank in place, foot first over the joiner, to set a stop block. With the stop block set, all you have to do is run each side of your tapered leg blank. Run until you come right up against it, rotate, and do the next side. After you've made that first cut on all the leg blanks, remove the stop block, reverse the leg, pivot it down at the foot, and one pass over the joiner on each tapered side will give you a perfect, absolutely accurate tapered leg every single time. Quick and easy tapered legs at the joiner.